So imagine a world where every device communicates seamlessly, creating a connected future. That's the vision of Helium. But how much will it be worth in 2025? Let's find out. Hello everyone, my name is Firoz. Welcome back to Decentralized Chain, and today we're diving into the exciting world of Helium Network. Now before we start, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell for the latest updates in technology and cryptocurrency. So understanding Helium. Helium isn't just hot air. Launched in 2013 by Amir Haleem, Sean Fanning, and Sean Carey, Helium aims to build a distributed network for IoT devices, Internet of Things. Now, it's all about connecting billions of smart devices like sensors and wearables through a decentralized approach. And Helium's magic lies in its hotspots and data credits. So hotspots are part-time miners, part gateway, using LoRaWAN for communication and earning HNT tokens. And what about data credits? I mean, they're the fuel for this network, pioneering everything from data transmission to blockchain transactions. Now, 2023 was a big year for Helium. With over 960,000 hotspots in 100 countries, they've created the largest LoRaWAN network. And that's not all. They transitioned to Solana's blockchain, launched Helium 5G, and even introduced Helium Mobile. So that is expansion. Now, enjoying the video so far? Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more insightful content, and don't forget to ring the bell to stay updated on all things crypto and tech. Helium's not walking this path alone. They've teamed up with Total Helium, Pulsar Helium, and Helium Evolution to expand their reach. And these collaborations are setting new standards in monitoring, production, and distribution of Helium. Now let's talk money. HNT, Helium's native cryptocurrency, has a max supply of 223 million tokens. It's a balanced ecosystem, rewarding hotspot owners and Helium Inc., the Helium Foundation, and users. And as of December the 14th, 2023, HNT's price is floating around $5.30. The roadmap in the future for Helium? Well, looking ahead, Helium has big plans, from expanding Helium Mobile to launching new hardware like Mobile Spot. They're all set to revolutionize 5G and beyond. Now, the big question, where will HNT be in 2025? Now, while we don't have a crystal ball, and considering Helium's growth trajectory, technological advancements, and expanding partnerships, HNT could see significant value growth. But remember, this is speculation, so always do your own research. Let's explore the potential price targets in 2025 based on a projected $7 to $9 trillion global market cap. So if we take something with a steady ascent, if Helium continues its growth pace without major disruptions, we could see, I would say, a moderate increase, and a price target in this scenario could be around $60 to $70, which would bring the market cap to approximately around $13 to $15 billion. But perhaps here comes a milestone achiever. Should Helium hit key milestones like significant adoption in IoT and successful new partnerships, we could witness a more pronounced surge. In this case, a price target of $80 to $90 is conceivable, elevating the market cap to around $18 to $20 billion. But what about hypergrowth and euphoria? We're in the peak bull market in 2025. Bitcoin's going crazy, everything's going crazy. And that naturally has a positive impact on price across everything in crypto, regardless of how good or bad something is doing. So now imagine a scenario where Helium rides the wave of a full-blown run, coupled with groundbreaking technological advancements and market dominance. In this hypergrowth phase, we could be looking at HNT soaring to a staggering $100 to $120, capitulating the market cap to an impressive $22 to even $27 billion. But Helium is more than just a cryptocurrency, it's a technological revolution. What do you think about Helium's potential? Let us know in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this deep dive, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech insights, and ring that bell notification, and I'll see you on the next episode.